Hello the internet, welcome back to Studio J, and in last week's video you saw me faffing about with two cameras that I bought when I was in Japan. My Canon 10D and my Pentax SFX, with some, well, let's be honest, mixed results. If you can hear that, it's now just doing this. I don't think the Pentax is working. So I am 0 for 2 on successfully using Pentax film cameras, but I am not letting that stop me from diving headfirst into film photography and, well, collecting old cameras because I think they look neat on a shelf. So I hit up eBay, and one minor bidding war later, and I give you the latest prize, a Canon 500N, specifically a Canon EOS 500N. It's a film SLR that was produced in 1996 and is most notable for having an EF lens mount, which is the same lens mount as my 7D Mark II, a camera that was produced almost 20 years later. But that, oh dear viewer, that is not a bad thing, because what that means is that any lens I can put on this, I can put on this. So that entire shelf of lenses that you see, that is my primary kit shelf, I can shoot digital and film, providing that this actually works, because well, it was sold to me as I believe the listing said functionality not verified. So it's a maybe. So again, dear viewer, you are here today to join me and see if I can get this old thing working. And if you are enjoying watching me mess about with old cameras or any of the other content that I am putting out here on the Studio J channel, then don't forget to subscribe and maybe even click that bell icon so you know when a new video is dropping. But shameless channel plug aside, let's see if this old camera will work. Okay, so here we go. One currently lifeless Canon EOS 500D. Oh, you go up to open it on the film. Looking good condition inside. So I have my batteries. Open these up. Yep, okay, that's a promising start. Damn blister packages. Yay, there we go. Slowly but surely I get into the batteries. Okay, we have our batteries. Now our battery compartment. Right, so let's have a look at the diagram. What does it say? This battery goes in that way. This battery goes in that way. Close it up. I think that's closed. Now the moment of truth, because that digital screen should have something on it. And it does! We have power! It's working. Yeah, okay. Promising first steps. The Pentax SFX did this and then promptly broke. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to chuck a lens on it first. I've got my trusty Sigma 50mm prime lens. Pop you on. Now it looks like a proper camera. And then for film, what should we put in it? I have my little trusty bullet train film box. Let's go for, yeah, some Ilford black and white 400 speed. Go away. Okay. Now I need to work out how to put the film in this and load it correctly. So okay, so well, I got a level with you friends. I screwed up again. But not with the camera. I have not screwed up with the camera or anything like that this time. What I screwed up with was after I had looked up the video on how to load film into this camera, I stopped recording on this camera whilst I was looking up the video, and then I didn't click record when I started loading film into the Canon. So
I am stupid. I am stupid.
But the good news is it loaded the film. It pulled it all along into the grip. It's working, apparently, I think. Whilst I thought I was recording, because I did a whole segment to camera about the film is working, yay, it's good, and I wasn't recording. My first picture I took on this camera was of you, the dear internet. So now that I am definitely recording, I'm checking now, yes, I am recording, I'm going to try again. So the flash is going to pop up because it's on auto. Yep, there we go. And say internet words. Yay! And it's ticked down as well. It's ticked down to, there we go, 34. I have 34 shots remaining. Camera appears to be working, which is a good thing. So what will happen now, the internet? Camera's working, but I want to show you how to load film into it and how it works. So what I'm going to have to do is shoot a roll of film on this, and then film another little bit, showing you how to put some film in, because I have my trusty box, my Shinkansen box of film with films in that I can use. So I'll tag that on at the end of the video. But for now, it's time to go out and play with the Canon 500N.
Several days later.
Well, it is now several days later, because I was really clever in that I filmed the bit you've just seen in the studio on a Tuesday, and I didn't have any time to go out during the week because, you know, boring office job. So it's now the weekend, several days later, as per that title card you just saw. Canon is out, it's ready to go. Got some colour film loaded in because I actually used up all the black and white at a friend's birthday party on Wednesday. So that's their photos. So colour film is loaded in, some expired colour film, ISO 100, and I'm going to see how well the Canon actually does out in the wild now. Where can I put it? Here it is. So I've got my my wide angle boy with me.
Yeah, I've got mine, but it's got the digital, which I might switch to now actually.
Hopefully we'll be able to get all of this enormous structure in. Oh yeah, good. Last shot that I'm going to take while we're down here. I'm going to go down the ladder into the middle and straight up. And then it's like, run. Get out of the danger area, get out of the danger area. Danger photo completed. Danger photo completed. And also film completed. Well, that is the Canon, all film used up. Now to send it off to the developers to see what it comes back with. I don't know what it comes back with now whilst I'm filming this. You, however, the internet, will have seen what I've just shot earlier in this video because the magic of editing. But in the meantime, thank you all very much for watching. If you are enjoying the content that I am putting out on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, even click that bell icon if you really want to. I can't make you, but it would be great if you did. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Well, internet, you're not getting away quite so quickly just yet because, like I promised at the start of this video, thanks to my idiocy in not clicking record, I need to show you how one puts film into the back of a Canon 500N. So, I have the camera, currently does not have film in, and I have a roll of film. I have checked the screen, it is definitely recording, yes. So, behold the process for loading film into a Canon 500N. So, it is a pretty easy process actually. You firstly, I'll show you the camera is on with battery, and you put it into L for load. Then you push up on this one, open the back up like that. Try not to hit the camera as you do. Then you take your film and you put it in. At some point you try to, it goes in like this. No, I loaded it perfectly the last time and now I'm screwing up. There we go. Then you drag the leader across until it is sitting quite nicely like that. That is literally it. Close it back up and then change it to that. Now that whirring, you can see it's counting up. There you go. That was the camera unspooling all of the film from this side and putting it into this side. So as you take a picture, that number will count down. It shows you the number of shots remaining. The film will go back into the canister, which is a really neat way of doing it because it protects the film from the light. If you were to accidentally open the back of the camera, it would ordinarily just ruin everything by exposing the film to more light than you wanted it to. But putting it back into the canister as it rolls backwards is a very helpful and friendly way of doing it. And there you go, internet. That is how you load the film into a Canon 500N film camera. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.